Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My channel name is Jagdishwar Daily Life. So basically today I am going to show how to claim on a free chance deal ticket of Chelsea B pack. Here I am with the method. First we need to open the game and go to the extras, and then after we need to go the support area, and then we need to go again in this special promotion area, and you need to open a reverse option and enter the gift code connect 813. CONNECT 813. I have already claimed it and I didn't get any legends or that highlight player. So you guys can use your luck through claiming it. So claim it and try your luck. Best of luck for you all. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be with many more content in the future. See, I didn't get any player. Maybe I need to try more luck in the next pack. I will try my luck in the next pack. So thank you for watching the video till the end. Gift code is connect 813.